Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Welcome to my latest 3D printed collection, a tribute to nature's marvels and the intersection of technology and art. Each piece represents a unique blend of natural wonder and human ingenuity. The Space Monkey. First, let's explore the Space Monkey. This piece symbolizes the bold ventures of early space exploration, where brave animals paved the way for human astronauts. This work took 5 hours to print with 4 color swaps, emphasizing the depth and complexity of space travel. Notice the thoughtful expression, a reflection of solitude and vastness of space. As you gaze at it, think of the giant leaps we've made in exploring the unknown. The black and white koi. Next, behold the black and white koi. Is it a koi or a carp? That's for you to decide. This piece challenges the viewer's perception, blurring the lines between the wild and the cultivated. It's a testament to the art of selective breeding, turning a common carp into a symbol of peace and tranquility. The intricate patterns achieved through 4 color swaps invite you to contemplate the beauty and serenity of nature. The Nightingale. Finally, we have the Nightingale, a bird whose song has captivated human hearts for over a millennium. This piece, weighing around 75 grams, captures the essence of its melodious call, a reminder of the deep connection between humans and the natural world. The Nightingale's song symbolizes the harmony and beauty that can be found in the quiet moments of the night. Each of these pieces, the contemplative space monkey, the serene koi, and the melodious nightingale, took about 5 hours to print. With meticulous attention to details, I invite you not only to appreciate these works, but also embark on your own creative journey. Try designing your own 3D prints. As always, stay creative.